In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Smartsheet. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Smartsheet account, then head to the home page. You can do this by going to the main Smartsheet site and selecting Home, or by using the Home option in the navigation bar if you're already logged in. This is your central hub, and it's where you'll access your personal contact list. Once you're on the home screen, look for the area where your account or profile options appear. This might be shown as your profile image, initials, or a menu with account-related settings. Click on the highlighted section there. This opens up additional options related to your personal settings and contacts. From that menu, choose the option called My Smartsheet Contacts. This is the place where Smartsheet stores the contact information you can easily reuse across your sheets, automations, and sharing settings. Opening this will bring up a window or panel showing any contacts you've already saved. Inside the My Smartsheet Contacts window, look for the Import Contacts button and click it. This tells Smartsheet you want to bring in contacts from a file instead of adding them manually one by one, which is especially helpful if you already have a contact list maintained somewhere else. You'll now see options for different file types. First, click on the option for .csv, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. This is the format most contact managers can export to, and it's a simple table of your contact data. If you're planning to use a CSV file, make sure it's already exported from your email client or contact manager and saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or Downloads folder. Next, click on the highlighted file selection area. This will open your computer's file picker so you can browse and select the CSV file that contains your contacts. Once you've chosen the correct file, confirm your selection to attach it. After that, click on the Import Contacts button again to upload that CSV file into Smartsheet. The system will process the file and add those people into your My Smartsheet contacts list. You also have the option to import from a vCard file instead. Click on the VCF, vCard file option if your contacts are saved in that format. This is common when exporting contacts from phones or some address book applications. With that selected, click Continue to move forward. Finally, click on the highlighted file selection area again to choose your vCard file, just like you did with the CSV. Once the file is selected and uploaded, Smartsheet will import those contacts as well, and they'll be ready for you to use throughout your sheets and projects.